Most people wake up every morning, look into the mirror, and feel disappointed because their skin looks darker, oily, dull, or full of spots. They try different face washes, home remedies, and even expensive creams, but nothing seems to work long-term. The truth is, skin problems do not start on the surface. They start because of daily habits that slowly damage the skin barrier, without you realizing it. One of the biggest reasons for dark and dull skin is over-cleansing. When you wash your face too many times a day, or use harsh face washes, you strip away your skin's natural oils. In response, your skin starts producing even more oil to protect itself. This leads to oily skin, clogged pores, acne, and uneven skin tone. Healthy skin needs balance, not aggression. Another major reason is sun exposure. Many people believe sunscreen is only needed when you go outside in direct sunlight, but that is completely wrong. UV rays can reach your skin through windows, during cloudy weather, and even while sitting indoors near natural light. Without sunscreen, your skin cells get damaged daily, leading to pigmentation, dark patches, premature aging, and loss of glow. Late-night sleeping habits also play a huge role. Skin repairs itself while you sleep. If you sleep late or get less than 6 hours of sleep, your skin never gets enough time to heal. This results in dark circles, tired-looking skin, breakouts, and slow skin recovery. No cream can replace proper sleep. Your diet is another silent enemy. High sugar, junk food, and processed items cause inflammation inside the body. This inflammation shows up on the skin in the form of acne, excess oil, and uneven tone. On the other hand, lack of water makes your skin dry on the inside, forcing it to produce oil on the outside. This is why dehydrated skin often looks oily and dull at the same time. Now let's talk about the solution, and it's simpler than you think. First, switch to a gentle cleanser and wash your face only twice a day. Second, apply sunscreen every morning, even if you stay indoors. This single habit can prevent 70% of skin damage. Third, drink enough water throughout the day and reduce sugar intake. Fourth, fix your sleep schedule and give your skin at least 7 hours of rest. Remember, glowing skin is not about whitening or changing your natural color. It is about healthy, even-toned, and protected skin. When you fix the root causes instead of chasing quick results, your skin slowly starts healing itself. Be patient, stay consistent, and your skin will reflect the care you give it. If you want real skin improvement, not temporary fixes, follow for more honest skincare tips.